Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Let's stop. Then we have to scroll down again to find more security and privacy, and here we've got install apps from external sources. So this is the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Now here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app, for example the Chrome, and then tap on the switcher. Now after getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app again and tap on the switcher. And after getting back, you can see that the Chrome in my case is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.